Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how you can easily post on Pinterest. So let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open Pinterest. Once it loads up, tap on the plus button in the bottom right here. A menu will pop up. Tap on Pin. It will take you to your pictures and gallery. Choose the image that you want to post, just tap on it to select it. And then tap on Next in the top right corner. From here, give a title for your pin. You can even write a little description about your pin. And maybe after that you'd like to give a detailed description about your pin by tapping here and writing the description. After that, tap on Next in the top right corner. And then from here, choose the board that you want to post it in, or just create one if you don't have one already. After that, when you go and check your boards, you'll find the picture posted right there, and that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and see you in the next one.